Hello everyone, welcome to prevent a solution given this nice exponential equation which is 3 to power a times 3 to power a times 3 to power a. This is equal to 72. So what is the value of a? So if it is your first time you come across my videos, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification whenever I upload a new video. Now solution from what we have here, so 3 to power a times 3 to power a times 3 to power a, this is in the form of a to power n multiplied by a to power m, which we can express as a to power n plus m. Now from here, you find that we can express this as 3 to power a plus a plus a plus a. This is equal to 72. Now here we'll have 3 to power 3a. This is equal to 72. Now, to solve for the value of a, we introduce natural logarithm on both sides so that we'll have log 3 to power 3a. This is equal to log 72. Now, log 3 to power 3a, this is actually in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Now, applying this power rule property, log 3 to power 3a becomes 3a log 3. This is equal to log 72. So we divide both sides by log 3 by log 3. So let's simplify here so that now we'll have 3a. This is equal to log 72 divided by log 3. Now, from what we have here, we can express 72 as 9 multiplied by 8. And again, we can express 9 as 3 to power 2, okay? And we can express 8 as 2 to power 3. So 72 is the same thing as 3 to power 2 times 2 to power 3. So let's substitute this. We'll have 3a is equal to log 3 to power 2 times 2 to power 3 divided by log 3. Okay? Now from what we have here, log 3 to power 2 times 2 to power 3, this is essentially in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. So applying this property, we'll have 3a, this is equal to log 3 to power 2 divided by log 3 plus log 2 to power 3 divided by log 3. So let's proceed from here. Now we have 3a is equal to log 3 to power 2 divided by log 3. Now applying the power rule property, that is log a to power n, this can be expressed as n log a. Applying this property, log 3 to power 2 becomes 2 log 3 divided by log 3. Then plus, we have log 2 to power 3. This becomes 3 log 2 divided by log 3. So let's simplify here. We will have 3a. This is equal to 2 plus 3. Okay. Now you find that log 2 divided by log 3. This is basically in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Applying this property, we'll have 3 log 2 to base 3. So let's divide both sides by 3. Okay, let's divide both sides by 3 so that a, this is equal to 2 over 3 plus log 2 to base 3. Okay, so this 3 and this 3 simplify, so that's why we have a as 2 over 3 plus log 2 to base 3. This is the value of a. Now let's verify that this value of a actually satisfies the equation. So if you recall, we end that 3 to power a multiplied by 3 to power a multiplied by 3 to power a, this should give us a value of 72. So we simplify this further to 3 to power 3a, which is equal to 72. Let's substitute the value of a, so that now we'll have 3 to power 3 into the parentheses 2 over 3 plus log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 72. Now let's simplify here, so that now we'll have 3 to power 2 plus, now this is 3 times log 2 to base 3, this becomes 3 log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 72. Now, as you can see here, 3 to power 2 log 3 log, that is 3 to power 2 plus 3 log 2 to base 3. This is actually in the form of a to power n plus m, which we can express as a to power n multiplied by a to power m. So applying this property, we'll have 3 to power 2 multiplied by 3 to power 3 log 2 to base 3. This should give us a value of 72. Now 3 squared, this is basically equal to 9. And then we have 3 to power 3 log 2 to base 3. We can express this as 3 to power log 2 to power 3 to base 3. So this is the power. So here we'll have 3 to power log 2 to power 3 to base 3. So this is equal to, now 3 to power log 2 cubed to base 3. This is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which is equal to a. Applying this property, 3 to power log 2 cubed to base 3, this is basically equal to 2 to power 3. And that means that we have 3 squared, which is 9. Okay, so you have 9 times 2 to power 3, okay, times 2 to power 3, which is 8. This should give us a value of 72. 9 times 8, this is 72, which is equal to 72. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that affirms that the value of a, which is basically 2 over 3 plus log 2 to base 3, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.